Good evening and welcome back. Today I want to talk about how maturity comes with age. I know it's a very fancy topic or probably too much of a philosophical topic as one can say, but nothing really that regarding this topic that I was thinking about all through the day. But I was just like planning to go out for like a day or two sometime during the end of this month or early next month, and I've been doing enough research to figure out what place is safe, where to go, where not to go, and I mean still a lot of contemplation for sure. But when it comes to overall this planning this thing, right? So the way in which I'm seeing how I should look out for a place has changed so much. Like earlier, whenever we wanted to go out, like I mean, before I got married or like when I was in the probably like a peak of photography related work. So that time, whenever we used to plan for a trip, the first thing that used to come out of like, okay, how many photography points are nearby? What are all the photogenic places or things that are nearby? I mean, anything that you think of, like, what can we photograph when we are there? And if you are staying in a place and there is like hardly anything that you can think about related to photography, like, should we really go? Should we really spend that time? And the way you like you go there, and from morning to evening, we just wanted to be busy doing photography. Now, and we never used to bother about like whether we'll get good food on time or whether we'll uh, whatever the accommodation. Sometimes like we used to stay in like extremely basic accommodations and all those stuff, but we never used to compromise our safety and all. But food and all those things wise, we never used to bother too much. But now things have changed so much, not only about the fact that it is all this corona and all those stuff, but the moment you start planning, you'll start seeing, okay, how far is this place, and how many breaks that you might have to take. Should this be a breakfast break? Should this be a lunch break? And do we get anything good on the way, or is there anything reliable on the way? And between all these things, now bring in this corona factor, like how safe it is to stop here to have breakfast or lunch or probably like whatever is the case. Okay, the thought process has changed completely. That's what I would say. I'm like uh, probably of late, I would say, for whatever good or bad, anything related to a trip that I see more about like how comfortable is this place, how comfortable is the journey, and how accessible it is to get all the essentials. Like first and foremost thing, obviously the food and all those things. But again, we just see like, okay, when we are on the way, when we are coming back, I just see more things about safety, comfort, and all those stuff rather than think anything about photo or think anything about, okay, I'll sacrifice lunch, I'll sacrifice dinner or something like that. Again, it's all comes with age, it all comes with responsibilities, and it just like so amusing like how the thought process completely change when you go from one phase of life to another phase of life. So it casually struck me that, okay, I should probably think about it and talk about it. Now, having said that, in a totally unrelated point, I just realized today, not really today, but it's been already almost a month now since I last spoke about or thought about this whole secret project thing that I wanted to do. And if you remember, it's the same topic for which I had even contested in a, I participated in a India government contest also. I didn't win, that's fine, but I realized why I didn't win. I think I spoke about it almost a month back. But I just realized since the contest result got announced, I literally have, I don't know, knowingly or unknowingly, I've taken a break from thinking about it. And today I was seeing some video, and in one of the videos, the person says he likes exploring new places and he repents probably not doing it in the early part of his life. And that's when I realized, like, why did I even stop thinking about it? I mean, I have all data related to that particular project around me. Like, I just come to my room, it's there in front of me. But just that the amount of brainstorming I used to do, the amount of research I used to do, the amount of reading I used to do, the amount of learning I used to do for that matter, during maybe I would say June, July, I've literally brought it down to zero. The last 1 month I've been literally zero. I've hardly thought about it. But anyway, I just thought I'll tell about it. But it's already September now. September already a week done. It's already 4th of September now. it's a week done, and we have about like what 4 months left in this year. As much as I want this year to get over soon, so that something better and good is there for all of us next year. But having said that, I'm just thinking, is this a right time to even start thinking about doing anything about that project, or should I hold on till say early next year or something like that? I'm just torn in two different mindset. At one stage I feel that this is a low time and this better I spend my time and energy, and most importantly money, on getting this through. Or I'm thinking like, should I take it easy and should I tackle it probably, because if I do now, to even try it out or make people see this and all, it will take some time. So it's, that's what is like, after you spend some money you want to see some returns immediately, right? That's why. Now the other thing that has been striking a lot in my head is about prints. And I told some time back that I revamped my shivakumar.net website, and one thing that I did there, which is idle and kind of dummy, is this store option. So I kept this store button in the website, but it is dummy as of now. But the thought that I had when I created that button is like, I need to start selling something. I need to start selling something which I've created and all those stuff. Or maybe, I don't know if it is too early, or I don't know how over optimistic I am. I'm like, I thought like, let me try to do some merchandise not related to me, or merchandise not related to journey to nature or anything, but it's about travel related stuff. So when I say travel, I want to talk about like places specific souvenirs or merchandise and all. So this probably is the very first time I'm talking about it. So for the last 1 or 2 days, I'm just thinking if this is that another project that I should probably invest my time and money on, so that I can have something ready here. And my concentration, like, I'm trying to be open here. I'm like, my concentration is just my state, okay, and that's what I want to think about right now. So anything and everything that I can do related to my state, related to travel, is something which I want to concentrate on. Some travel merchandise, some travel souvenirs and all. I just need to convince myself a little bit more before I even go ahead and start implementing it. So probably I'll speak to a few people, try to check their thoughts on whether it will be good or not. And once that is done, then I'll have to speak to people who can implement it for me. So it's not like I can go ahead and do all this merchandise stuff all by myself. So that's something which I've been thinking about. Again, this is all like, I mean, probably I would say like, uh, the things that I'm looking at as my second investment, third investment kind of a thing, wherein I'm just thinking like, can it lead to some kind of like a returns on a longer run? Can it sustain on its own, or can I make it run by having somebody run it or whatever? Because I've seen a few people who have created business around problems which are there, and that's exactly how a startup comes. Like, I long back I'd heard this statement or whatever summary from somebody who says like, how do you come up with startup idea? Look out for problems, solve that problem, and that's a startup. And here I'm trying, most of the things that I'm thinking about is around travel industry, and maybe a little bit of photography stuff, and maybe I would say like a biking related things and all. So I know I've been bumping into a few people on the web, wherein people have started things which are I mean, like, say when it comes to riding, there is not everything that is available in Indian market, and to get it here is like an expensive stuff, and it takes a long time. And now due to COVID, the transportation is also closed. So people have started creating a startup around it and creating those products here itself, or maybe doing something to make sure that the product is available. So I have so many such things even in my mind. So I'm just thinking if there is something I can do about it, maybe in the next 3-4 months, so that by Jan of 2021 I can launch it and see if something clicks, one of these two products, or maybe something more and things like that. So I just need to motivate myself, probably channelize some amount of my thought and my energy, and definitely money towards it. So again, it all ended up being mature talks rather than daily updates. That's what I realize now. So anyway, that's probably what I wanted to talk about today. So it's a very mature Friday, I would say. Thank you so much. We are heading to a weekend. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on Monday. Take care. Bye bye.